Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup using only a phone camera. I'm not going to be using any mirror whatsoever. I'm only going to be using the phone camera and also the Snapchat camera just to see if there's any difference in quality. So when I'm using just the regular iPhone camera, I'm going to be recording it so you guys can see it. And then for the Snapchat one, I'm going to be screen recording it so you guys can see a longer version instead of just the little short Snapchat videos. So I'm going to start on my eyebrows and I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark. So the reason I thought about this was because I was actually doing a takeover on Snap, and a takeover on Snap is basically just doing a makeup tutorial on somebody else's Snapchat account, and I was actually doing one and I was like, oh, let me just, try to do my whole face with only the camera. And it was actually really hard because my Snapchat camera isn't that great of a quality, so it was really tricky to see if I had blended everything out, and so this is why I'm making this video, okay? So the regular camera isn't that hard, that you can actually see everything pretty well, but it's really hard to get up in here. I know I messed this eyebrow up, but I can't I mean, my eyebrows aren't even that great anyways on a regular day basis, so it don't really matter. So next I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me and I'm going to carve out my eyebrows. So I stopped recording, but I'm still just using the regular camera to do my makeup. Now I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape and light medium, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. Then I'm just going to take a white and set my eyelid. Just set. So first eyeshadow I'm going to take is Electric Eel by MAC. It's just a baby blue. So using a Morphe E27 brush, I'm going to start packing this into my outer corner and into my crease. This camera is really good, but I can see that it's patchy right here, and I'm not sure if it is patchy or not. Next I'm going to take MAC's Chrome Yellow and I'm going to apply this into the inner corner and mix it with the blue. I'm going to use a Morphe E17 brush. Oh gosh. Okay, so now see how it's making a green right there? I'm going to apply more green just to the center, but I wanted those two colors to mix so I could make a green. I'm going to go into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to go into this very used green right there. I'm going to take the same pencil brush I was using and I'm going to use that green. I'm just applying it where the yellow and blue met and created a green. I'm just intensifying that color more. So next I'm going to take this blue and also maybe this blue to deepen out my outer corner. I'm only going to place it like down here just so it's a little bit darker. Ooh. Let's see. It looks a lot different with the photo camera. Like I can tell how blotchy it is right here. So now I'm going to cut my crease using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I'm only going to do a half cut crease. Now I'm just going to set the concealer with a white eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go back into that dark blue I applied to the outer corner and blend it into the concealer. For primer, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics by Pores and the Too Faced Hangover RX. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Foundation in Classic Ivory. I feel like the Snapchat camera is a little bit brighter. Like I can see the colors a lot more, and I can see I did not blend it right there. Right here. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm not going to record this time. Uh-oh. To set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I think I just set a crease. I think so. I can feel it. I'm going to set my face with the MAC Studio Fix powder. And then I'm just going to dust off the powder. I'm going to bronze my face with the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use Milani Luminoso. I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. And for highlight, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Desi Times Katie collab in Fuego. I can't even see if I'm putting highlight on, but that's okay. I'm going to switch over to the regular camera now. I'm going to start with the baby blue I used into the outer corner. Next, I'm going to take the yellow into my inner corner. And then just mix those two together. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the light green. Oh. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. I should curl my left eye with my left hand. I can't do it with my right. Then I'm just gonna apply mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. For lashes, I'm gonna apply the Lily Lashes in Style Miami. So while my lashes dry, I'm going to line my lips with the Kylie Jenner lip liner in Candy K. Okay, wait. They are not on right. Then I'm just going to top it with the Almay Liquid Lip Balm in Rosy Lipped. Alright, so this is going to be the first time that I look at myself in the mirror. I'm scared. I think I did pretty good besides the lashes. This one feels a little bit off, but overall I think I did pretty good. Not bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, something's really wrong with my lash. Like there's glue like all on the bottom and I like glued something to it. Okay. Besides that, eyeshadow is pretty good. Eyebrows could have used a lot more work. But my eyeshadow is pretty good. Maybe this crease could have used a little bit more, like the cut crease could have been a little bit better. But yeah, eyebrows bad, highlight worse. But yeah, everything else looks pretty good. So that was the challenge, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're down there. Also, check out my social media. It will be listed down below and go check that out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This one's the bad one. Yeah, I'm only gonna be... No mirror. No mirror. I mean, I guess. Okay, well, I'm gonna just stick to that because it's too hard. Can I screen record on this? Okay, that was a picture. Ah! Just a little bit, but that's okay. That is A-okay. And I'm just gonna, okay, I'm not gonna blend out my finger. Ugh! New packaging though? I don't know what I'm doing. It's okay. Yeah.